Happy Monday out there. It's a rainy and cold day for much of Metro Vancouver, but snow is falling heavily once you get above around 500-600 meters, and we may see some wet snow for Metro Vancouver tonight. I'm meteorologist Johanna Wagstaff with a check on your weather. Temperatures also diving down once we get back behind this Arctic cold front that is quickly approaching. So let me show you the big picture right now as I take you through to the 2:40 p.m. hour. We are seeing snow falling for the local mountains, higher elevations of Maple Ridge, higher elevations of Abbotsford, out towards Hope, but it is a rain story for much of Metro Vancouver. In the big picture, there's actually a couple of systems we're dealing with. So this first one is bringing Pacific moisture in across Metro Vancouver. That's what brought the rain early this morning. It's bringing snow to the interior. This second front is actually the boundary between Arctic air that is moving down across the province. And as it moves into that precipitation that we're seeing thanks to that Pacific system, that's where we're getting a burst of snow. We do have snowfall warnings in place for Whistler, Kamloops, much of the BC interior, and then east of the Rockies as well, all dealing with the same Arctic front, bringing upwards of 30 centimeters. So great news for the mountains, 10 to 20 centimeters, I should say, through Whistler. Very windy on the coast, though, behind this front. And it's those northeasterly winds that'll be funneling through the valleys tomorrow, making for frigid wind chills in through some parts of BC. So taking through the forecast, there's that Arctic front sliding through Metro Vancouver overnight. So tonight is the best chance of seeing any wet snow at higher elevations of Metro Vancouver. I don't think we'll see too much sticking around, and it'll clear out quite quickly tomorrow behind that Arctic front. But again, very cold northeasterly winds will actually bring us a bit of a wind chill in through Metro Vancouver, one of the coldest forecasts for the rest of the week coming up. As for timing, it does move through quite quickly. You can see the blues and the pinks there across the south coast. That is the snow that is falling from the sea to sky up towards Whistler, parts of the North Shore and the eastern Fraser Valley. But then watch as it sinks south of us and things really clear up, back to the blue skies by tomorrow afternoon, but we are left with this Arctic front. Okay, as far as snowfall, I think this model, Rapid Update model, is doing a pretty good job at showing you who's going to see what. And you can see there is the chance for some trace millimeters towards the North Shore, possibly some trace amounts out towards Abbotsford, and definitely out towards Hope, looking at the possibility for 5 to 10 centimeters, but not much in the way of snow at all for Metro Vancouver. Snow levels will be about 500 meters, so likely not getting any. You may see a few wet flakes and maybe a few flurries lingering early tomorrow morning, but the big story, I think, is snow for the mountains and mountain passes, winter driving condition tonight for the summits, and then a very cold forecast ahead. I'll have more details tonight.